Hello, in this video we will demonstrate how to check for the free disk space in Windows using a compliance job. Let's get started. First thing, we need to create a rule in our compliance template that will check for the free disk space on a Windows target server. But before that, we need to have an extended object that will be used in our compliance template. I'll show you how to create our extended object for use case. Go to configuration, configure object dictionary and select extended object from the drop down. Now click on green plus icon to create a new extended object. Select extended object and hit next. Now give a name for your extended object. Then select the OS as Windows since our use case is for Windows Server. Put this command here in the command script section. So this command will call this NSH script which I have kept on the same console server. This script will scan the file system and display the file system information. You can get the script that I have used here in the knowledge article mentioned in the description of this video. Now, the grammar file used here must be hosts.gm as you can see here. And the execution type must be central execution here. Since I've already created this extended object, I'm not creating it again. Let me show you how it looks like when we live browse a Windows server. Here, if you see the value 5, it's 66. This means 66% of space is used on this server of total space. Now, let's consider we want to check for all the Windows server that the use space should not exceed 90%. If for any server the use space is beyond 90%, then our job should flag it as non-compliant server. Okay, so this is our compliance template. In the parts section, we need to add the extended object that we created. I already have added it here. You can add it from this green plus sign and then select this extended object from the list here. Hit OK. Since I have already added it, we cannot add it again. Let's go to the compliance tab. Here we need to create a new rule from this option, add new compliance rule. I have already created it here, this rule called disk space. So I'll open it. So this is the rule. Extended object entry. We will select the value 5 as integer. Then set it as less than or equal to 90. Save it. I have already defined this rule, so let's see how it works. I will test run this rule here against few of my target Windows server. Okay, as you can see, all the targets are compliant except one. So for rest of the servers, the use space is less than 90%. But for this one server, it is 95%, which is more than 90% that we set. Hence, it is coming as non-compliant. I'll log into that non-compliant server. Okay, if you see here, only 4.97 GB is left and 94.9 GB has been used. And that is why this server is non-compliant as total use space is going beyond 90%. So this way, a user can identify the free disk space on a Windows server and do the needful as required. Thank you for watching.